There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? So y'all already know I'm coming through with the Amazon Prime wig, okay? By UNice Hair. Girl, look at this. She got an elastic band that is adjustable and removable, some adjustable straps in the nape, a comb, and some silicone banding. So let me go ahead and clean my hairline off. And while I do that, guys, I will leave y'all with how y'all wig will come from UNice.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose, yeah. I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my friendly forever hairsprays, which is the Aussie Instant Freeze. This is my go-to. You already know how I feel about Aussie. It dries perfectly well. It gives a great hold. The freeze is the maximum hold one, okay? So definitely you want to get the freeze, okay? Aussie Instant Freeze. They do have other bottles that look very similar, but this one is the Instant Freeze, and it has the bluish color writing on the front. Now, this is a 7x5 unit. She is 14 or 12 inches, and the density is 150, okay? I do love UNice Hair. They be coming up with some really nice wigs, y'all. Very affordable. They have their website. They have Amazon. You know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime. You get your shit on time, girl, okay? I love Amazon. I got a whole bunch of stuff from Amazon just recently for the gift giving season, okay? So listen, if y'all are in need of a gift and you need it real quick, you best to check Amazon. And if you need you a good wig real quick, go check out UNice Hair on Amazon. These are their buy-by-knot units, so you don't have to bleach this at all. She already come ready to go, ready to wear. This is the water wave, but I like a lot more waves in mine. Now, I did wash the unit after I received it because I do know once you wash it, like I tell y'all, the curls will come back so much different. So I did go ahead and wash her, but I still didn't see the curls, the waves that I wanted. So I just take my little barrel curler, the smallest barrel out of all of the curling collection that it comes with, and I just wind it on real quick and take it right off. So that way I get some curl, but not too much of a curl. You don't need it to sit for too long, depending on how much hair you do have on the barrel as well. Now, this unit is a glueless unit. It is a pre-everything unit. You don't need any glue. You may need a little bit of hairspray. Depends on what you're into. I love that the hairspray gives it the melt. It makes the grids disappear somewhat, depending on the lace, honey. Depending on the lace. And with UNice's hair, they have some really great lace. So I will say I am very keen and very knowledgeable of their units. Very affordable units. Like I stated, they are on Amazon. They're also on their actual website and AliExpress. Now, this wig is a 7x4, 150% density. 12 inches HD Swiss lace. And baby, she is actually on sale. And if you have Prime, then you can also use a 5% off coupon. So she's on sale, but if you have Prime, you can also use a coupon, which makes her even more on sale. She's on sale, on sale, on sale. Okay? That's the type of thing time she's on. She's on sale, on sale, on sale. This is a very pretty reddish brown color. As you see, I am using my foundation stick just to make the lace just mimic my own natural scalp color. Now, other than that, there's really not much to do for this unit. Like I said, I went ahead and added just some more curls, but it's up to you how you want your unit to be curled. This does come shorter as well, but I'm feeling this color. I feel like it brings me out. It gives me a little bit more of a color, like a tannish color. I like these brick red colors. This is to me like a brick red color. Very suitable, demure, fancy, mindful, okay, and all that. Happy holidays, you guys. I hope you guys are ready and prepared for Christmas, the holiday seasons. Happy New Year's, and all of that fun stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As y'all already know, I love y'all to pieces. I hope y'all get everything you're asking for this coming holiday, as well as stay diva and divolicious. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to this video. Leave your comments below. Share it if you choose to. Check out UNice here on Amazon, girl. They come through with the affordability and the styles, okay? Leave your comments and let me know what you think. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.